You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of the current, at the time of recording this video, Prime Minister of Australia. For more names from Oz, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So, his last name is of Italian origin, and in Italian it's pronounced as Albanese, Albanese, Anthony Albanese, but he pronounced it himself. He acknowledged that the anglicized version of his last name is Albanese, Albanese. So Anthony Albanese is generally how it's pronounced. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.